Buying a gift.
Hello, welcome to our shop.
Hello.
Can I help you?
Yes, please. I'm looking for a gift
Who is it for?
for my mother.
Is it for a special day?
Yes, it's her birthday.
Does she like jewelry or bags?
She likes bags.
How about this one?
It's very nice.
Would you like to see another color?
Yes, in black, please.
Here you are.
I like this one. How much is it?
It's $20.
That's fine. I'll take it.
Would you like it wrapped?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Enjoyed the dialogue? Support us with a like. Rent a car. Hello.
Hello, how can I help you?
I'd like to rent a car
Sure. For how many days?
for 3 days.
What kind of car would you like?
A small car, please. Automatic, please. Automatic, please.
Will you drive in the city only?
Yes, only in the city.
May I see your driver's license?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Do you need insurance?
Yes, please.
Okay. Please fill out this form.
Sure.
Would you like GPS in the car?
Yes, that would be helpful.
The total is $45 per day.
That's fine.
How would you like to pay?
By card.
Please sign here.
Done.
Here are your keys.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Drive safely.
Ordering fast food. Hi,
Hi, what would you like?
I'd like a chicken burger, please.
Would you like fries?
Yes, please.
What would you like to drink?
A small cola, please.
For here or to go?
To go, please.
Would you like ketchup or sauce?
Ketchup, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
Okay, that's $6.
Here you are.
Thank you. Please wait a moment.
Sure.
Your order will be ready soon.
Okay.
Here you go.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your meal.
Thanks. Have a nice day. Buying a train ticket. Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. I'd like to buy a train ticket, please.
Sure. Where are you going?
I'm going to Paris.
All right. Is that one way or return?
One way, please.
When would you like to travel?
Today, in the afternoon.
There is a train at 3:30 p.m.
That's perfect.
First class or second class?
Second class, please.
Would you like a window seat or any seat?
A window seat, please.
The ticket is $25.
Okay, I'll take it.
How would you like to pay?
By card, please.
Please insert your card.
Okay.
Thank you. Here's your ticket.
What platform does the train leave from?
From platform 4.
What time should I be there?
Please be there 15 minutes early.
How long is the trip?
About 2 hours.
Great.
Have a nice trip.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Take a taxi.
Hello, are you free?
Yes. Where would you like to go?
To the airport, please.
Sure. Do you have any bags?
Just one suitcase.
I'll open the trunk.
Thanks.
It takes about 25 minutes.
Great. How much is it?
Around $15.
That's fine. Please drive safely.
Of course. Enjoy the ride.
Buying medicine.
Hello, I need something for a headache.
Sure. How strong is the pain?
It's not very strong, but it comes and goes.
Okay. These tablets should help. Take one every 6 hours.
Do they cause sleepiness?
No, they are safe to take during the day.
How much is it?
It's $5 for one pack.
The internet is not working.
Mark, the internet isn't working.
Are you sure? Maybe it's just slow.
No, I checked. There's no connection at all.
Did you restart the router?
Yes, 2 times. It still doesn't work.
Let me see. Maybe the cable is loose.
I already checked. That too.
Maybe it's the company's problem.
I have an online meeting in 10 minutes.
Okay. I'll call the internet provider now.
Please tell them to fix it quickly.
I will. Don't worry, we'll get it back soon.
Can't find clean clothes.
Lisa, I can't find any clean clothes.
Did you check the laundry basket?
Yes, everything is still dirty.
I was planning to wash them yesterday, but I got busy.
It's okay. I should have done my part too.
When do you need them?
I have an early meeting tomorrow morning.
Don't worry. I'll do the laundry now.
Thanks. I'll help you hang them after.
Good idea. Let's finish it together.
Can't find a keys.
Mark, have you seen my keys?
Which ones? The car keys or house keys?
The house keys. I can't find them anywhere.
Did you check your bag?
Yes, twice. Not there.
Maybe you left them in the door.
Oh no, you're right. They're still hanging there.
Lucky no one took them.
I need to be more careful.
At least we found them.
Broken phone.
Mark, look what happened to my phone.
Oh no, the screen is completely cracked.
I dropped it when I got out of the car.
Does it still work?
Yes, but it's hard to see anything.
You should take it to a repair shop.
I will, but I'm worried it'll be expensive.
Maybe they can just replace the glass.
I hope so. I really need it for work.
Don't worry, we'll check prices and fix it soon.
Thanks. I'll be more careful next time.
That's it for today's Simple English Conversation for Beginners. Practice these sentences and speak every day. Subscribe for more daily English lessons. See you in the next video.